first you hear it from other people and you think they're completely crazy.
It's almost impossible to spot something like this.
Maybe this is not going to be the usual luxury charter.
I never thought that it will be a mystical mystery story.
This is our habitat and this is where we belong. But to some people coming in, maybe it will be hard for them.
Yeah, man, dude, take the boat. We want to go.
It's hard to describe.
You can think of a great story as much as you want. If you don't get the shots of the animal, I mean, you're screwed. You can't do anything.
It's another alien, and it moves differently, and it is beautiful. Look into its eye. Then you can see that it's come to transfer your consciousness that will make you a greater being and take you to a different existence.
If you imagine all the pictures, how they're gonna be, in the end, they're gonna be totally different.
I've now understood this because we sort of get spoiled and we just assume that this whole world is our backyard and these predators are just sitting there waiting for us to see them. But the truth is, you only see them a few times.
And I never thought it would be like that.
Gus, man.
Exploring new things, it's like a game. It really made me feel like it's a connection to another world in my dream.
This will remain in my whole life. Like, hey, look at this. I'm part of it.
It teaches you about how hard it is to be in a scenario where you can see these amazing animals, and so you learn you do not take it for granted.